Good day to my future employer. My name is Christine Binyabon. I am 38 years of age, a high school graduate, and currently living here in the Philippines. I have work experience for 15 years to one employer as a dental assistant at the same time as a nanny. I started work to my boss when she is single, and when she have a kid, I am the one taking care of their children since newborn. I feed them, I bath them, I change diaper, and I sleep with them. I sing with them a nursery rhymes when they're going to sleep. In the morning, I am the one preparing their food, preparing their things going to school. I send them to school and fetch them to school after clinic. So when we are in their home, I am the one cook their dinner. I do also laundry, I ironing, I do a house cleaning, and sometimes I car wash. So, ma'am, I assure you that I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, honest, and loyal. I assure you that if you will hire me, I will love your kid as my own, as my family. Ma'am, sir, please hire me as your household worker or a nanny to your kids. I will love your family as my own. And thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you will hire me as soon as possible. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.